Good morning, friends. Next video from our series, that is, write a short note on neo-Darwinism. Friends, this question from Unit 7 of Organic Evolution. Friends, a very important question, friends. Friends, you know Darwin theory of natural selection. See, Darwin proposes natural selection theory. That natural selection theory is supported by neo-Darwinists. The natural selection theory which is supported by neo-Darwinists is called as what is neo-Darwinism. Neo-Darwinism, friends. Neo means new. Neo-Darwinism. See, friends, neo-Darwinism is a modified theory of Darwinism. See, friends, neo-Darwinism is a modified theory of Darwinism. So it is modified Darwin theory, friends. This neo-Darwinism is also called as modern synthetic theory of evolution. You know, friends, Darwin theory is called as natural selection theory. Neo-Darwinism is also called as modern synthetic theory of evolution, friends. Modern synthetic theory of evolution. See, friends. So Darwin theory explains origin of species on the basis of the natural selection, friends. But this neo-Darwinism explains origin of species on genetic basis, friends. Very important. So neo-Darwinism explains origin of species on genetic basis. Okay, friends. See, here you have to remember what is the main driving force? What is the main stimulus for the neo-Darwinism? See, the main driving force for neo-Darwinism is what, friends? Genetic variations. You know, friends, the main driving force for natural selection is what, friends? Variations. But here the genetic variations are the main driving force for the neo-Darwinism. Friends, what are the driving forces of the neo-Darwinism? What are they, friends? Neo-Darwinism, friends. What are the driving forces of the neo-Darwinism? What are they, friends? They are what, friends? Genetic basis. Genetic basis. See, friends, here you have to remember two important need points, friends. See, friends. See, who are the neo-Darwinists? Friends, who are the neo-Darwinists? Very important, friends. Who are they, friends? Haeckel, Huxley, Simpson and Weizmann. These are what, friends? Neo-Darwinists. Friends, who are they? Haeckel, Huxley, Simpson and Weizmann. They are the neo-Darwinists who supported the natural selection. But important, friends, who explained natural selection by neo-Darwinism. Who are they, friends? Fisher, Mayer and Sewell Wright, friends. So in the need they are asking separate questions, friends. Who are the neo-Darwinists or who supported the natural selection? Who are they, friends? Haeckel, Huxley, Simpson and Weizmann. Who explained natural selection by neo-Darwinism? Or who are they, friends? Fisher, Mayer and Sewell Wright. Friends, Fisher, Mayer and Sewell Wright. See, friends. See, according to neo-Darwinism or according to modern synthetic theory of evolution, 5 basic factors are involved in organic evolution. Friends, according to this theory, according to neo-Darwinism, there are 5 basic factors, friends, which involved in the organic evolution. What are they, friends? Number 1, gene mutation, friends. Number 1, gene mutation. Number 2, chromosomal mutations. Number 3, genetic recombination. Number 4, natural selection. Number 5, reproductive isolation, friends. So these are the 5 factors which are involved in the organic evolution according to the Neo-Darwinism or modern synthetic theory of evolution. What are those 5 factors, friends? One is gene mutation. Number 2, chromosomal mutation. Number 3, genetic recombination. Number 4, natural selection. Number 5, reproductive isolation. Now take one by one, friends. First you take gene mutation, friends. See, friends. So what are gene mutations? Mutations in the gene are the heritable changes which occur in the structure of gene, which occur in the DNA molecule are called gene mutations. See, friends, what are heritable changes? See, the changes which are inherited from one generation to other generation are called as heritable changes. So the heritable changes are the which occur in the structure of gene or which occur in the DNA molecule are called gene mutations. You know, friends, gene mutations are also called point mutations. Friends, gene mutations are also called point mutations. See, friends, point mutations occur in genome when a single base pair is added or deleted or changed. See, friends, here no need to write this in your IP, friends. This is for NEET. So these gene mutations, due to gene mutation, what happens, friends? These gene mutations change or alter the phenotypic characters of the organisms. So due to mutations in the gene, due to mutations in the DNA molecule, what happens, friends? They alter or they change the phenotypic characters of an organism. This leads to what, friends? This leads to evolution. See, friends, these gene mutations tend to means it favors what, friends? Variations in the offspring. Due to gene mutations, changes takes place in the offspring. It leads to what, friends? Formation of variations. See, friends, here I am explaining in Telugu, friends. సో జీన్ మ్యూటేషన్స్ వల్ల ఏమవుతుంది ఫ్రెండ్, జన్యు ఉత్పరివర్తనాల వల్ల పిల్లలలో సంతతిలో వైవిధ్యాలు ఏర్పడతాయి, ఫ్రెండ్స్. See, friends, here I have given one diagram. Please no need to draw in the exam, friends. See here, this is a original DNA molecule. Here you have adenine, cytosine, thymine, guanine, adenine, guanine, thymine. See, friends, due to mutation, one nitrogen base change, friends. In the place of adenine, guanine is added. See, friends, this adenine is replaced by guanine. So this mutation takes place at one point. Because of this is called what, friends? Point mutation, friends. Point mutation. Okay. So due to gene mutations, what happened? You have to remember, friends. So there is changes in the phenotypic characters of the offspring. It leads to variations, friends. Okay. Now, friends, come to second one. Chromosomal mutations. First one is gene mutations, friends. Second one is chromosomal mutations. See, friends, same definition. Instead of gene, you have to write chromosome. Heritable changes occur in the structure of chromosome are called chromosomal mutations. See, the changes which are inherited from one generation to other generation due to changes in the structure of the chromosome are called as what, friends? Chromosomal mutations. See, friends, these chromosomal mutations or the changes are due to what? Deletion in the structure of chromosome, addition in the structure of chromosome, duplication of the chromosome, inversion of the chromosome or translocation. Friends, here you have to remember 5 words: deletion, addition, duplication, inversion and translocation. See, friends, these chromosomal mutations also produce variations. See, friends, what is the main driving force? Variations, friends. So due to changes in the chromosome, due to mutations in the chromosome, variations takes place in the offspring. See, these chromosomal mutations also produce variations in the offspring and alter the phenotypic character of the organism. See, friends, ఈ క్రోమోజోమ్ పరివర్తనాల వల్ల ఏమవుతుంది ఫ్రెండ్స్? దృశ్య రూపాల్లో తేడాలు కలిగించి సంతతిలో వైవిధ్యాలు ఏర్పడతాయి. See friends, here I have given one example. See friends, these are normal chromosomes. See friends, A, B, C, D, E, for example. These are the genes. See friends, here deletion. See here A, B, D, F. C is deleted friends. See inversion. See friends, A, B, C, D. Instead of E, L is added friends. Inversion. See friends, duplication. A, B, C, D, D. Extra D is added friends. Duplication. See friends, inversion. A, B, E, D, C, F. Instead of A, B, C, D, here E, D is added friends. So this is called as what friends? Chromosomal mutations. Due to chromosomal mutations, variations occur in the options. Now see friends, third one. Genetic recombination friends. Genetic recombination. See, recombination of genes is called genetic recombination. See friends, see, recombination or rearrangement of genes is called as what friends? Genetic recombination. This occurs due to crossing over during meiosis. Friends, you have to remember one important point for it. Genetic recombination takes place at the meiotic division only. So this genetic recombination occurs due to crossing over during meiosis. See, the genetic recombination also brings genetic variability or genetic variations, and it also changes the phenotypic characters of an organism. See friends, here I have given some 1 or 2 MZ bits or 8 bits friends. Crossing over occurs in a pocketing stage of meiosis 1. Friends, this is very very important for me. So crossing over occurs in the pocketing stage of meiosis 1. You know friends, meiosis has 2 stages. Meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 has prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1. Prophase 1 has 5 phases friends, in which with the pocketing stage crossing over takes place. See friends, what is crossing over? Exchange of genetic material or chromosomal segments between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes is called crossing over. Due to crossing over, what happens friends? New combination of genes are formed. See friends, crossing over plays an important role in the evolution. See friends, here I have given a diagram. See friends, see this is pair of chromosomes. So here see friends how the crossing over takes place. So due non-sister chromosomes, see crossing over takes place between non-sister chromosomes. Okay friends, that is the third one friends. What is that? Genetic recombination. The fourth one, natural selection. Friends, natural selection. See friends, here natural selection does not produce any genetical changes. Very very important friends. See the above 3, what are they friends? Point mutation, gene chromosomal mutation and genetic recombination. They produce genetical changes or phenotypical changes or variations in the offspring. But natural selection does not produce any genetical change friends. Very very important. But what is the importance of natural selection? Natural selection favors some genetic changes and while rejecting others. You know friends, natural selection or nature selects the organisms which are having useful characters and nature rejects the organisms which are not having useful characters. So natural selection does not produce any genetical changes, but it selects what friends, or it favors what? Some genetical changes and rejects some genetical changes which are not useful to the organism. See friends, hence very very important friends, natural selection is considered as driving force of evolution friends. Very very important friends. So natural selection is considered as what friends? Driving force of evolution. See friends, here I have given one neat question. Natural selection is also called survival of fittest. You know friends, we read in the Darwin theory, organisms with useful variations win the struggle for existence and selected by the nature. So nature selects whom friends? Nature selects the organisms which have useful characters or useful variations, and the organisms with harmful variations will be defeated in the struggle, which may be destroyed by the nature. Okay friends, now see friends, here I have given some diagrams. See friends. See friends. Here see the giraffe has long neck, means it is a useful variation. It is selected by the nature. These two giraffes have short necks. These short necks are not useful to that organism. So this is not selected by the nature. So later they discard it. So see friends, here this bird. See, you see these are the insects or beetles. The green beetles which are easily visible to the bird or predator is eaten by the predator. Means the green of this green color is harmful character to the beetles. But whereas this other color, which is brown in color, is useful to the beetles. So that is a useful variation. Okay friends, this is what friends? Natural selection. Now come to the last one friends, reproductive isolation. See friends, isolation means what friends? Separation. Separation of two different species. For what friends? To prevent mating, to prevent breeding, it's called as reproductive isolation. See friends, prevent different species from breeding and producing fertile offspring is called reproductive isolation. See friends, here I have three definitions of reproductive isolation. You have to write any one of these three friends. What is reproductive isolation? Prevent different species from breeding and produce fertile offspring is called reproductive isolation. Second one friends, the absence of gene exchange. There is no exchange of genes friends. The absence of gene exchange, there is no transfer of genes from one generation to other generation. The absence of gene exchange between populations is called the reproductive isolation. Or it is the inability of a species to breed successfully with related species due to barriers. Friends, in the allopathic speciation we discussed about the reproductive species isolation friends. Once you go through that video friends. So it is the inability of a species to breed successfully with related species due to barriers is called as what friends? Reproductive isolation. See friends, this reproductive isolation plays a great role in giving rise to new species friends. So what is the use of the reproductive isolation friends? It plays an important role in the evolution of the new species. Okay friends, this is about what friends? Neo-Darwinism. See friends, once again, here I have given reproductive isolation. See friends, see, species are separated by a barrier. Either it may be sea, or it may be river, or it may be ocean, or it may be mountains, whatever it may be friends. This is what friends? Reproductive isolation friends. Once you see friends, who is he friends? He is a Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin friends. Okay? This is about what friends? What is our question friends? Once you see the question once again friends, write about the Neo-Darwinism friends. Very very important 4 marks question and very easy question friends. Here you have to remember 5 factors. What are they friends? What are the basic facts of the Neo-Darwinism? Gene mutations, chromosomal mutations, genetic recombinations, natural selection and reproductive isolation. Okay friends, thank you.